Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. The Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation for short the corporation close has filed the above appeal aggrieved by the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court of Judicature, Jaipur bench, by which Regulation 4 3 of the Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation Compassionate Appointment Regulations, 2010 for short the regulations close has been declared as violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop para. The respondent's father, Muhammad Sahid, who was working as a helper in the Appellant Das Corporation, died in a motor accident. Stop. He was travelling in a bus of the Appellant Das Corporation which collided with another bus. Stop. A claim was made by the respondent before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, TONC for short the tribunal close under section 166 and 140 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 for short the act close. Stop. An amount of rupees 1,35,50,5000 was claimed, but the tribunal awarded a compensation of rupees 22,95,775 stop para. The respondent made a representation to the chief manager of the Appellant Das Corporation seeking compassionate appointment. Stop. The request for compassionate appointment was rejected on the ground that the respondent was not entitled in light of Regulation 4 3 close of the regulations. Stop. Dissatisfied with the rejection of the request for compassionate appointment, the respondent filed a writ petition in the High Court challenging the constitutionality of Regulation 4 3 close. Stop. The High Court allowed the writ petition by a judgment dated 29.08.2016 on the ground that Regulation 4 3 of the regulations is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop para. The High Court held that the object of compassionate appointment is to mitigate the hardship of the family members of the breadwinner, and for that reason compassionate appointment should be provided to the family in distress. Stop. According to the Regulation 4 3 close of the regulations, claim for both compassionate appointment and compensation under the Act cannot be made against the corporation in case of death of an employee while travelling in the vehicle of the Appellant Dash Corporation. Stop. Regulation 4 3 close was found to be discriminatory because the compassionate appointment can be provided to an employee who dies in an accident while travelling in a vehicle not belonging to the corporation, though he had claimed compensation either from the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company, under the Act. Stop para. According to the said regulation, the death of an employee of the corporation while travelling in a vehicle belonging to the Appellant Das Corporation cannot give rise to compensation under the Act, as well as a claim for compassionate appointment in the Appellant Dash Corporation. Stop. The question that arises for our consideration is whether the High Court was right in holding that Regulation 4 3 close is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. The reason given by the High Court to hold it unconstitutional is that whereas the dependents of the employee who died in an accident while on a vehicle owned by the Appellant Dash Corporation was not entitled for compassionate appointment after claiming compensation under Act, the dependents of an employee who died in an accident while travelling in a vehicle not owned by the Appellant Dash Corporation are entitled to get compensation under the Act against the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company, as the case may be, as well as a right to claim compassionate appointment. Stop. The High Court was of the opinion that the dependents of employees of the corporation who died due to an accident while traveling in a vehicle of the corporation cannot be treated differently from dependents of employees who died in an accident while traveling in a vehicle not belonging to the corporation. Stop over.